horrible. What's up, guys? I'm back with another banger. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my WWE action figure collection. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys off. And so, for starters, we're going to start off with a banger. We're going to Bobby Lashley and Stone Cold Steve Austin. I mean, it's good. I mean, it's not real with them, though. I'm gonna be talking about some of these images, so bear with me. We got Seth Rollins and we got Finn Balor. They're cool. It's just Seth Rollins. He doesn't stick his standing up. He's only doing that because Finn Balor's foot is right there in between the crack. No, that's the only reason why he stick the landing. Then we have these two. I was gonna set it up like this, but like it just kept falling over, so I just, But we got another Bobby Lashley, and this Bobby Lashley is sick. Okay, it's cool. It's a good Bobby Lashley. Then we have Ric Flair. He's cool, but I had this toy for a long time now. I think this is my first ever WWE action figure I've ever got. And it's like, his attire is like, I'm just not feeling it, You could tell I had this Ric Flair for a long time because it has scratches on it and everything, bro. So, I don't know. And then we have Kofi Kingston and Biggie. The thing about Kofi Kingston, his braids. So when I first got this Kofi Kingston, the braids were loose. And then the second day, and then I was trying to make a video, but then his braids fell out. And now, I just don't know what to do with Kofi Kingston. I tried to put it back in, but it's like it's not working. Biggie, he's fine. He's good. I had this Biggie for like 2 months, and he's cool. He is. We have Mankind. The thing about Mankind, I mean, it has a thing where you put the mask in, but it's like it didn't even come with the mask. So I don't know about that. Then we have I forgot the name for a sec. We have Jeff Hardy. Jeff Hardy, he's a natural. Sometimes his leg it just falls off, but I have to put it back on. But he's cool, Then we have Bray Wyatt. Bray Wyatt, he's cool. It's just like I'm not used to seeing this Bray Wyatt because I haven't seen this Bray Wyatt in about like 3 years when he was feuding with Braun Strowman. And we have T-Bar, obviously. We have Triple H. I think he's the manager of SmackDown or the CEO of SmackDown. I don't know which. Comment down below if you know. Then we have, I forgot to talk about Triple H. Triple H, he's fine. It's just like I don't like him in his suit. I just don't. I just want him in his attire. Like where's that Triple H in his attire? But he's fine. He's good. Then we have The Rock. You see, The Rock, he's fine. He's pretty cool. But, like, it's something about him that was like, I don't know. I mean, he doesn't even stand up when I try to do, like, the people's elbow. Like, see, I stuck the landing because I held it in the crack again. But, like, every time I try to do it without the crack, it just falls over. Like, I'm holding it with the crack, but, like, it just falls over. Cesaro. The thing about Cesaro is like, I just don't like the Cesaro like that. Like, I have another Cesaro. Like, okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Now, this Cesaro, it's basic and stuff, but this Cesaro is way much better. Like, they have the same attire and stuff, but like, be honest, that looks gold right there, and that is yellow. Like, that looks gold, and it's like, I just like the bigness of the Cesaro. See, look, he has a thing on his pants, but like, this one has it, but that one doesn't, and the beard of that Cesaro compared to the beard of that Cesaro, this Cesaro, I don't know about that. Comment down below. But yeah. Alright. Now we have the old Big Show. Like the hair Big Show. Something about the Big Show, I just don't like he having hair. Like, I just don't like that. Because I'm not used to seeing the Big Show with hair. Of course, I watch AEW and stuff, but like, I'm just not used to seeing the Big Show with hair. I'm just not used to that, Oh, and then we have Braun Strowman. See, it was rumors about Braun Strowman getting fired, and apparently the rumors were true. So like, this is the only Braun Strowman I have. It's still good. But like, it's like, look at his beard. Look at that. I just don't like it. But he's good. He's cool. That's the last one. I'm gonna show you some of these extra superstars. I already showed you this one. I was gonna use this one for a video, but like, no, bro, no. Cause like, look, cool. The arm doesn't even move like that. Like, I'm holding with one arm, but trust me, if I try, to set it up perfectly, his arms are not right. These arms are perfect, bruh. Okay, we only have Randy Orton. I was gonna try to use Randy Orton, but like, it's something about it. Like, I was gonna try to do this. Let me just set the camera. Oh, snap, it's falling. I don't know what to set this at. I just want to show you guys this real quick. That's all I want to show you guys. Because, like, it's something. I just want to show you guys this. So, I was going to try him having his RKO stand, but, like, Triple H, he doesn't stand like that. So, he falls over. He falls and stuff. Randy Orton, he falls when his legs. Randy Orton, he falls when his legs are like this. He only falls when his legs are like that. When his legs are like that and it's not straight, he falls. But when his legs are like this, I can't set it up right, but when his legs are like this, it's fine. He doesn't fall. Oh, we have Seth Rollins. Okay. I was picking, like, I didn't know which Seth Rollins to use to do for the pedigree. Like, this Seth Rollins, it stands. This Seth Rollins, it stands too, but like the Messiah Seth Rollins versus the Drip God Seth Rollins, it's like they both have the same ponytail. It's nothing different. They both have the same tattoo and everything, but it's like the attire. I just don't like Seth Rollins. Like, this attire, it's cool. This attire, I like it, but it's like I don't like it at the same time. That's the only thing. And then, they both have gloves. They both still have their gloves. Now, this Seth Rollins, his gloves are perfect, but that Seth Rollins, if you can see it, yeah, right there, you see it? But I was just thinking which one can stand for the pedigree. And obviously, this one almost stuck it, but it decided to fall, and now no. Oh, we have some more. We have some more right there. Okay. Now we have this rubber. Can you see him? I was trying to move to like somewhere where you can see him. Yeah, I don't know where you...
It ain't right. I'll be back here. Okay?
Alright.
It ain't like
Anyways, I was trying to say, can you see him? I don't know. If you can, like, you can see him over raised. His basic fit. So look. Now, I was thinking about using this on Reigns because, you know, he was using this attire when he was fighting John Cena. But, like, it doesn't work. Like, John Cena, I tried to do John Cena's AA, but he kept falling over in John Cena. And this one, he only fell over once in this one. Now, I like this one, but, like, it's, like, something about it that is just, this is way more better. I think it's because I'm not used to him seeing the shield of failure and stuff like that. We have some more. 2 Randy Ortons. Actually, 3. I didn't use any of my Randy Ortons. I wasn't even thinking about using any of my Randy Ortons. And I see, like, this one, it's fine. It's cool. This one, it looks way better, especially with the beard. See, he doesn't have a beard in this one. I don't know why WWE decided to do that. And his old one has a beard, but his new action figure doesn't have a beard. And his very old action figure with that attire has a beard. It doesn't make sense, WWE. Get it right. Alright. One more. John Cena. This John Cena, it's boring. It's boring. You can't even do an attitude adjustment. I can't even stretch his arms like that. Like, I just can't. So how am I supposed to do an attitude? It stretches a little bit, but like, how am I supposed to do an attitude adjustment with this? That makes no sense. Yes. You know, no. That's not happening. But yeah, I can't believe I got all this to stand up, especially this to stand up in one take. This video was one take. I did this in one take. I did that in one take. I did this in one take. And if you know, these two, I don't know, it is, you know, but I did that in one take, and that is so impressive. People can't even do that, and people can't even do that in one take like that. People will usually take 2 in case. But me, I just get right into the video. Sometimes I take 2 takes, but like most of the time I just do one. I just did all of this in one take. This one was easy, cause it's stretching, it doesn't move. That, it took, it was easy, but it was kind of hard. That right there will help stand up, that was difficult. That was difficult. It's working now, but that was difficult. It was really difficult. I had to literally stick with it like so fast, like to get him order to stay. That's why. But I'm gonna switch the camera angle. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe so we get some more bangers to you guys. And yeah, see you next time. Deuces. Hold on. Say deuces. Say deuces. Deuces.